Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I've made several things like this before, but I found out two new ways to do things that make life a lot easier. So we're just going to let's draw a 10-sided polygon this time. And let's select two of the nodes and turn them into a curve. And then when we do that, we'll have a little bit of a curve to it, and you can see what it's doing. It's creating this curve. Now, Control D and make a duplicate. Well, you know what? Let me hit P, put it in the center of the page. Let me delete that other one. And Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the Shift key so it'll grow from the center. Now, I've never done this. I kind of found this today. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend, and I'm going to blend 20 times. I've never even paid attention that after you blend it, well, I already had it set on 0. So let's go back before I had it set. Let's actually go back. And I don't guess there's any way to, because it was set on 0, trust me. And then I'm going to go, let me go to 0, and that's what the blend would look like. But then you could blend it like 45. And now so there's one thing. I've never noticed this blend direction up here anyway. I've always, in the past, what I've done is take this item and rotate it a little bit off and then blend it and hit apply. And you can see it does the same thing. But with this, you can change, to make it that 45 or whatever what you want to, or let's go even go like 60. Okay, now here's the other key. Grab it all, go up to Object, break the blend apart. Go up to Object, select it all, go up to Object and ungroup all. So if you look, we have 27 circles. So with it selected, go up to Object and combine it. Okay, the old way I used to do it was to take the Smart Fill tool. Old way, it's going to be everything when you do something differently. And then I would go and fill in every other line. But for some reason, because it's a combined item now, and it's a curve, I can just go left click and it filled in every one and then take away the outline. And you get that effect. That's pretty cool. Saves a lot of time. Anyway, hope that gave you some ideas or two, and thank you for watching.